Here's a quadratic equation. How many distinct real solutions does the given equation have? Exactly one, exactly two, infinitely many, or zero. So we're not necessarily asked to solve the quadratic equation. We are asked to identify how many real solutions it will have. So here's the quadratic formula. Unfortunately, it's not on the SAT reference sheet, so this is something you would want to have memorized going into your SAT. To figure out how many solutions you have, you can look at what's under the root. Reason why, if I have a positive under the root, adding or subtracting the square root of a positive is going to give me two real solutions. Adding or subtracting the square root of 0, adding and subtracting zeros is the same thing. It's going to give me only one real solution. Adding and subtracting the square root of a negative is going to give me no real solutions, two imaginary solutions. So I'm going to look at the value of the discriminant, which is the name that we give for the expression under the root. So b is in front of the x, a is in front of the x squared, and c is the value that's by itself. So if I plug 10 in for b, 5 in for a, 16 in for c, what I end up with is 100 minus 320. That's negative 220. The square root of a negative is going to be an imaginary number, not a real number. So how many real solutions does this have? None. Two imaginary solutions, but no real solutions.